Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 things that you may be doing around your home that are making your space look cheap. Now, you know me, I'm all about decorating on a budget, but I do believe that you can decorate on a budget and really achieve that high-end luxurious look. So if you're trying to do the same thing in your home without breaking the bank, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So there's one curtain style that I think you should absolutely stay away from if you're trying to create a luxurious high-end look around your home. And that's curtains with grommets. You can do all of the curtain hanging tricks, hanging your curtains high and wide, adding double panels, making sure that the curtain goes floor to ceiling. But if your curtains have grommets, it's just making them look cheap instantly. The best looking curtains are usually custom made curtains, so you're always trying to create that custom made look on a budget. And you can do that with curtains that don't have grommets. You can use pleat hooks, you can use clips and rings, and do all of these amazing tricks to make your more affordable curtains look more expensive, but you can't do that with curtains with grommets. So I think just stay away from them altogether because they look store-bought, they look like they're straight out of the package, and they don't look custom. They also usually come in a metal finish that maybe you aren't trying to tie into your space, so that little detail can sometimes throw things as well. They don't hang the same way, they don't pull across the same way, so I think they're just one detail that you should stay away from because they're making your space look cheap. Curtain panels without grommets are not any more expensive than curtains with grommets, so it's not even about spending more money or anything like that. It's just that extra detail that can be removed that make them look so much more luxurious. Now, I'm sure you've all heard about using a pop of color or picking an accent color for your space, but I think we need to take this a step further and actually choose more than one accent color for your home. I think when people get stuck on that one accent color and use it all over their home in the exact same shade, it tends to come off a little bit too matchy-matchy and can potentially look cheap. I think it's better to either choose one color but many different shades of that color as your accent color, or use 3 different colors that really pair together nicely. This is gonna give you variety, depth. It's gonna allow you to use color in multiple ways in one space without it looking like it's too much. So it's a great way to create balance in your home and flow from one space to the next. You can have depth in darker colors, you can mix in lighter colors, and pair them together really nicely. There's something about using one accent color in the same tone that just comes off a little bit too primary or kiddie. Good design is all about pairing instead of matching. So as long as you keep that in mind, as long as your items and your decor pieces and color schemes pair nicely together, I think you're off to a great start. Now, if you want to elevate the look of your kitchen without renovating or decorating, all you need to do is get matching dishes. As soon as you open up your cupboard doors and see matching dishes, it makes your space look and feel luxurious. They don't have to be expensive dishes, they don't have to be anything fancy, as long as they look clean and match. I've been wanting to do this in my mug cabinet and my bowl cabinet because both of those cabinets have been a jumbled mess of different styles and colors that just make the cupboards look messy. So I just got some new pieces to elevate the look of my cupboards from Walmart. I'm always shopping on Walmart for all of my home essentials. I shop on the Walmart app so I can just shop really quickly off my phone from the comfort of my home, and everything delivers so quickly. I got all of the products that I wanted to use to refresh my cabinets in just a couple days, so it makes it really easy for me to get these little projects done quickly. So you can download the Walmart app to find all of your favorite products at just the touch of a button. They carry some of my favorite brands, so it makes it very easy for you to get that on-trend look at a great price. So I got a bunch of different size bowls that are all white and that really match so that I have variety but a very seamless look, as well as clear glass mugs and white to-go tumblers. I'm gonna be clearing up my mug cabinet first. This is pretty much the first thing I see every morning. It's something my guests see, and I think we can make it look a lot more luxurious just with some matching mugs. So I decided to go all glass for my regular size mugs. These are double-walled glass mugs, so they are really well insulated. They look incredible, like you're having a coffee from a cafe, and they aren't hot to touch. So I really, really love these. They look so luxurious, and I'm just pairing them with my existing glass mugs that I have and finishing off this cabinet with my white tumblers. That way, everything that has to do with coffee, hot or cold drinks can all be in here. These white tumblers came with metal straws and straw cleaners, so I'm organizing a little container so that everything is in one spot. But wow, what a difference this makes. Putting dishes away just got so much simpler because no matter where you put it, it's going to look organized and clean. So this is such a great hack if you just want to spruce up your cabinets. We're going to do the same thing in my bowl cabinet, moving away from the mix match sizes and colors and going for more of a uniform look with these dough-in bowls. So I got a larger size, a medium size, and the ramekin, so there's some variety there. I love the texture of these, and it just gives off a very clean look. So this is one small thing that will really take your kitchen to the next level. If you've been thinking about doing something like this in your home, I'll leave all of the products I use down below in the description box so you can shop on Walmart as well. Now, I've spoke about different ways that you can elevate the look of your bedroom through bedding. You can use multiple duvets to really add that plush look to your bedding that you see in stores. But another detail you should consider that I love doing in my guest room is actually using extra large duvets. So sizing up in your duvet. In our guest room, we have a double size bed, but I actually use a king size duvet on that bed. It allows for extra blankets to flow off the side, and when guests stay over, they're not fighting over blankets. There's more than enough to go around. So I think it actually really elevates the look of your bedding if you go larger. So it's not always about investing in the most expensive duvet. That definitely does make a difference, but you can do these little things to really achieve the same look and feel. If you have a twin size bed, size up to a double duvet. If you have a double, size up to a king size duvet. And for a king size, you can actually get extra large, extra wide king duvets to cover the width of your bed. Now, I truly believe that every furniture piece that you buy for your home should be comfortable, livable, totally functional. I love comfortable furniture, but I have one rule. They cannot have cup holders. I don't think cup holders will ever look luxurious or designer. It's just not going to allow you to achieve the same look that you might be striving for. Furniture with cup holders usually comes with a bulky kind of electronic look to it, and it's possibly making your space look a little bit cheap. That extra plastic detail on your furniture is not totally ideal. Of course, it's super functional. You could put a drink down, but you could also use a side table or your coffee table to really achieve that same kind of function. So I just have that rule when it comes to shopping. If anyone's ever asking for advice in a furniture store, it's do not buy anything with cup holders. Now, there's something about a TV on a TV stand shoved in a corner of a room that makes the entire room look cheap. No matter how beautiful anything else is, if there's a TV in the corner, it automatically looks awkward. It makes it look like you don't have enough room for that TV. It looks like an afterthought, and it really messes with the furniture layout and the flow of your space. I don't think it's ever ideal unless you have a corner fireplace and it's mounted on that fireplace. Then you have a focal point to the room. But if it's any other situation, I think you need to find a new place for your TV or a different way of mounting it. I think creative ways of mounting a TV are using art easels or a projector that you can hide away or tuck away and bring out when you need. But having a TV permanently in a corner on a TV stand definitely doesn't make your space look designer, so it's something I would never recommend. Now, if you really want to create more of a luxurious feeling in your bedrooms, make sure that you actually empty out a little bit of your closets, because if your closets are overstuffed, it makes your space feel small. It makes the closet look small. It makes it look like you don't have enough room in there, which technically could be true. But when you create space in your closet, you're gonna get a more luxurious look and feel. You're gonna be able to move your clothes. You're gonna be able to see everything you have. It just feels more luxurious. So I'd say find alternative storage options like under bed storage, maybe more drawers or a separate armoire that you may need to separate clothing. Moving your seasonal clothes away will make more space in your closet as well. So make sure that you have space in your closet, because it actually makes your entire bedroom and just experience in your home feel more luxurious. Now, when it comes to decorating your space, make sure that you are intentional about what you have out on display. I wouldn't put everything that you love and everything that's important to you out on your shelves and your surfaces because it tends to look cluttered and, again, closed in. You just get this overwhelming feeling in your space when you want it to feel a little bit more airy and bright. So I would say do not overly display all of your stuff. When it comes to magazines and books and travel knickknacks and gifts and decor, if you have too much out, nothing actually stands alone and looks special and intentional. It just looks like a whole lot of stuff. I think having special items with a lot of personality are great conversation starters and are amazing to have around your home. But if there's too much of it, people won't even know where to look or start. So make sure you tone it back and actually display intentionally around your home. And lastly, spaces with no personality tend to look cheap. I think that's why a lot of houses that have been flipped quickly and on a budget tend to look cheap because they are lacking personality, they look very standard and the same, and they don't give off a very luxe look. Adding small touches to your home that are unique and special and add your personality into your space actually makes your home look more expensive and creates a gorgeous experience no matter what. So make sure you're actually adding some style into your home and not just picking very standard furniture and details. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas on ways that you can improve the look of your home. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these decorating tricks do you think you should absolutely use in your home. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!